Ukraine under Operation Ganga. The Hawks in Indian Air Force are utilized for training the pilots of the fighter stream. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the magnificent air display that you're witnessing today. Turboprop engines allow it to operate in a wide altitude band while giving it incredible endurance.
The hesitation rolls. Watch as the aircraft pitches up into the lovely skies of Chandigarh. As she dives down, she now spots an adversary. The pilot is now positioning for the signature maneuver, the red eye turn. इसमें विमान अपसाइड डाउन होकर टर्न करेगा, जिसमें अधिक गुरुत्वाकर्षण की वजह से आंखों में खून का बहाव इतना ज्यादा हो जाता है कि पायलट की आंखें सुर्ख लाल हो जाती हैं। This maneuver is a true demonstration of the capability of this aircraft and specifically of the fuel system. We now have a surprise for you. The majestic Rafale and Sukhoi 30 enter the Chakravyuh from your right as a part of the transformer package. The Rafale today is being flown by Group Captain Abhishek Tripathi and Sukhoi 30 is flown by Wing Commander Abhinav Sen. Do notice how gracefully they glide past you at a speed of just about 200 kilometers per hour and perform the slow speed run.